What is up, JVs and affiliates? Luke McGuire here, and I'm so excited for you to be a part of the ProfileMate launch on the 30th of September at 9 a.m. Eastern, $20,000, no minimum prizes, so on and so forth. What I'm going to do now is jump into a demo video of ProfileMate for you so you can see exactly what it does live in action. I know you guys, if you're anything like me, when you come to a JV page, you just want to see what the tool does, the core functionality. So instead of explaining it all to you, I'm just going to show it to you right now. Now, I'm going to quickly show you Tony Robbins' Instagram account here. You can see here he has 5.4 million followers, and for most us marketers, a lot of those followers are probably going to be people that are interested in what we do. So I'm going to use him as an example. Instagram, unlike any other platform, you can actually go in and see who follows this user, which is pretty damn cool. Now, over the past couple of years, Instagram have introduced a lot more you can do on a profile, especially on the mobile device. It will show you emails if you have your email public and you want to be contacted, phone numbers, addresses, cities, bios, engagement scores, all of this stuff that can be found out using ProfileMate. So what I'm going to do is we're going to jump into ProfileMate, and we're going to go ahead and click Find Users, because if I went through all of these users manually trying to see which user had their email public that I'm allowed to contact and which user had their contact details and trying to figure out engagement scores, it would take way too long. So in ProfileMate, we're going to find the users first. There's a few different options here to find the most engaged users, so only searching through the actual engaged people on people's posts and whatnot. For now, we're just going to start with the followings of any one that we want to search. We can search our own followings and get information about them, but let's go ahead and search for Tony Robbins. So I'm going to type in Tony Robbins. I'm going to click on him, I'm going to click Analyze, and instantly it's going to go through and start to scan all of his followers. We're already up to 400, 500, going through all of these 5.4 million people, right? For now, I'm just going to hit click, you can see them all here. I'm going to click Download. It's going to open up an Excel document like this, and then it has all their usernames and their profile URLs and whatnot. We're going to copy the usernames. This is step one. It's only 2 steps to do this. Go back to the dashboard. I'm going to click on the Analyze These Users. I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm going to hit Submit. I'm going to call it a name, Tony Review, Set. This is the information we can search for, and if it's there, it'll get it for us. So post counts, biographies, phone numbers, public email addresses. Again, this isn't everyone's emails. It's only the people that have their email public, that if you clicked on it on the mobile device, it would open up your messenger, your email client app on your phone, so you can email them directly there. This is a way that it can bring all your emails together through all of his followers into one nice clean document. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next and just search for everything right now. And it's going to go through and search all of them for me, which is pretty cool. Then you're going to get a document that looks like this. So basically, once that's searched, it'll get all the users' details and search all of the usernames I've entered. And this is all public information again. And again, the emails, it's only if they're public, same with phone numbers. And with all in terms of the conditions here with Instagram. So you can see here, I'm going through them all. You can see a lot of emails already found. We find that 1 in 10 users do have their email public and want to be contacted by fellow Instagram users. So this is pretty cool. It gets a lot of other information like websites they have connected to, what city the actual user's in, phone numbers, what category the actual account's in, and we can go deeper and search a lot more deeper than this by again searching users' profiles, posts versus just the entire profile itself to find the most engaged users. Now again, as always in my launches, I will always over deliver, and we have built a bunch of semi-exclusive bonuses here that everyone can use. Some are for the upgrades and some are just for the front end as well. These are all tools that we have built from scratch. So they're not just Code Canyon links or PDFs or tools that don't work anymore. We have built all of these for the ProfileMate launch. So what I'd love to do now is for you to opt in for this launch. Let us know, let myself or Simon Harris know. The best thing to do is create a group conversation on Facebook with Simon and I, or reach out to me personally and I can add Simon in, whatever is easiest for you. And please let us know that you want review access, and we will get you set up so you can go in and start to use this yourself. In saying that, I'm so excited for you to be a part of the launch. 20 grand, no minimum prizes, September 30 at 9 a.m. Eastern. We have a full pre-launch as well where I'm going to be doing a webinar. It'll start an hour before launch. You can start to register users for that as well. But in saying that, guys, I'm excited to work with you, and anything else you need, please let me know, as we are here for you. Thank you, guys.